Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is moving closer towards this support region now here, which we talked about in the last update. It's, I think, a bit too early to really confirm that a top of sorts has formed here, but I highlighted already over the last few days. You know, it's possible that this yellow B wave has topped, or the A wave in white, in the white scenario. And from there, a pullback therefore was likely, but obviously we need further downside movements to confirm that further. One such signal would be a break below the previous swing low here at 5,000 would be good. 2,529. Break below this low from Sunday would indicate further that at least the white B wave is unfolding, maybe something more bearish, but I would watch this area then for possible support. Yeah, so there are two scenarios that I'm tracking here. One is short-term bearish. This is the yellow scenario, you know that one. And the price actually didn't even break above key resistance. So I did take it off the chart, that resistance area that we talked about. But remember, we had here the 100% extension target on the chart. I just removed it since then because we, no, not the 1.38, that was the 1.618, because it gets too much. But this is the level 2,699 was sort of the maximum I wanted this internal C wave to do. And I highlighted if we go above it, then this would be an extended B wave, but not in the same structure. So I wouldn't just say this B wave extends, it would be a different structure, because this B wave shouldn't really break above the 24th of August high, and ideally even shouldn't even break above 2,699, even though that's not so important. But as soon as we break above this wave 4 high here, 24th of August, it's a different structure. I wouldn't call that anymore wave B in wave 5 in a diagonal. It would be just a different structure. It still could just be a larger corrective rally. I mean, that can happen. But to confirm that further, we need to break above that 2,700 level. For now, it seems like at least a local top has formed, which would be further confirmed, as I said, with a break below 2,529. And then I'm going to watch this area here next, yeah, for support. This move here is now very much in line with what Bitcoin is doing. A pullback into a support region. Now we have to see how exactly this is subdividing. If it's turning into a 5-wave move down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we would expect a 3-wave move up and at least one more 5-wave move down. And then we will have to see if it can hold 2,253 support. But if the pullback remains corrective in nature, I mean, Bitcoin could do a 5-wave move, for example, and Ethereum could do a 3-wave move. Absolutely, you know, that's, while they are correlating, they still move in their individual wave patterns and degrees. But that gives us the next key level is 2,529, and then 2,474 next, and 2,407. And I could imagine, you know, that this B wave unfolds, for example, as an ABC structure, something like that. This is something to pay attention to. But more important than the microstructures are the levels. So my view is, as long as we stay below the Monday high, which formed at 2,700, at least wave B in white is unfolding, maybe something more bearish. But as long as it's a 3-wave move down, we can watch for a positive reaction in the support region and a start of another rally. Okay, and you know, then we will talk about the next upside targets once we have a low in place. But the levels that already are on the chart are 2,936 and 3,160 and 3,300. But at the moment, the focus needs to be on whether this is now a pullback, as shown here, at least wave B, and then these 4 Fibonacci levels that are on the chart, 2,474, 2,407, 2,343, and 2,253 are going to be important support. Any break below the support box will confirm that the yellow B wave has topped, but already a 5-wave move down would increase the likelihood for that. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.